creation of a conducive environment for them to be tackled with honesty and objectivity in a broadly constituted formation. As leaders and our parties, we commit to hold regular consultations on pressing issues, exchange expertise and information on the best practices in the governance of the Republic of Kenya, and facilitate and participate in public activities of interest to the people of Kenya that relate to their problems. We make it clear that the memorandum we have signed today does not define the formation of a political coalition between ODM and UDA. However, its successful implementation could inform the basis of steps toward the establishment of a broadly constitutive and progressive formation for a stable country in future. We urge all Kenyans who are interested in having a stable, inclusive, and progressive country, devoid of grandstanding and alienation of whole communities and regions, to rally behind this formation in the interest of our nation. God bless Kenya. Thank you. It's my pleasure now to invite my brother, William Samoei Ruto, to come, the party leader of UDA.
Congratulations. Thank you very much, the Honorable Prime Minister, and please let's take our seats. Your Excellency, Raila Odinga, Prime Minister of Kenya and party leader of my former party,